Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Peswal and I am the co-chairman of the Foreign Trade Committee at PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Delhi. We are one of the oldest chamber and also one of the apex chambers in the country and are the true representative of large number of businesses in India. We are coming with the business delegation and would like to meet you to explore business opportunities. India and Malaysia have been traditional friends and are connected with various cultural and historic ties dating back to antiquity. On the trade front too, we are poised to cross $25 billion very soon. We have been investing in each other's countries for mutual benefits. This is helped by the comprehensive agreement between the two countries and also by the Indo-ASEAN agreement of which Malaysia is a part. We believe there is a huge amount of potential both on the trade and investment side that needs to be explored. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.